guys, welcome back to my channel. Something's different, right? What is it? Oh yeah, it's my hair. I cut my hair short again. I was having some hair problems and also I was really missing my short hair. So I decided to give myself a little haircut at home. Moving on, in today's video, I am going to share with you all how I make vegan pancakes at home. Many people have asked me to share a vegan recipe on my channel. Now, I like to share the recipe of those foods that are not vegan but you can make them vegan. I mean, there are many foods in the market that are generally vegan. For example, your dosa, your noodles, vegetarian noodles I'm talking about. All of these foods are generally vegan, right? So I like to share the recipe of those foods that are not vegan but you can make them vegan. So go ahead and watch the recipe of vegan pancakes. That was your vegan pancakes. The products that I have used for making the pancakes, in case you want to buy them, I'll put a link in my description box so you can check that out. So that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Please keep yourselves subscribed to my channel because there's a lot more coming your way. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.